I don't understand what the controversy is here. So can we go through and call people out that don't understand what a repair authorization is? And some of these failed consultants in here, and the way that I'm saying to do it is you don't have to give it away. You can give away diagnosis if you want, but you don't have to. There's a bigger idea here that if you understand it, you can avoid this altogether, right? Automotive service director. I agree to an extent. The only issue I would have is if something involving AC diagnosis. That could get pricey because if they decline the repair, you'll have to pay a tech to evac. You didn't read the article. I'm sorry, bro, but you don't understand. This would not, what you're saying here doesn't happen if you get a repair authorization because the customer would tell you, no, I'm gonna sell the car. I don't wanna spend $2,000 on it. No, I'm gonna take it to my own technician. No, the car isn't worth $1,500. Don't do anything. You want to know at the time of write-up what the customer's intention is so you can serve them. The customer told you, my AC doesn't work. We're assuming they want the AC fixed, so let's tell them how much it is in the worst case scenario that we've seen to fix the AC. If they get scared off, you can function and operate from there. Don't be so fragile that you can't handle a customer saying, I don't want to spend that much money. That's your job, is to advise. But your job also is to tell the truth. The worst thing for a technician in the shop is for you to get them 2 hours into a diagnosis to have a customer that never wanted to fix it to begin with. You're not being honest. Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driver Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.